Jan 10, 2021. First news is free vaccination first for three core health frontline workers. Government told that there will be free vaccination for the first will be for 3 crore health and frontline workers, and simultaneously they give AstraZeneca got NOD from the government, and Covaxin get clearance only for the emergency use right now. India has successfully cultured the new strain of coronavirus ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. The new UK coronavirus strain, the ICMR given information that they cultured the new strain of coronavirus. Next, trade deficit grows to $15 billion in December. Trade deficit means import is greater than the export. So when import expenditure is more and export is going less, then we'll move into trade deficit. Okay. PM Modi laid the foundation stone for IIM Sambalpur permanent campus. Assam throws a lifeline to its only Ramsar site. What Assam government did that due to threatening to the Ramsar site, they banned the community fishing there. Next, Iran plans to enrich the purity of uranium by 20%. This statement was told by International Atomic Energy Agency. This agency told that Iran is planning for enrich the uranium by 20%. Final news is that rocky road for banking sector in 2021. Due to this COVID situation, there are so many NPS may arrest because due to lack of business in the full COVID period, and that may lead to the NPS, and which the effect which we can see in 2021. So there was a news that there will be a rocky road for banking sector in 2021. As this is Sunday, today there are less news and current affairs. News and current affairs. We'll come again tomorrow with more current affairs and news. Thank you very much.